Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is the New England Machinery large frame capper. It's ideally suited for gallon cappers. We're running a 38mm cap right now. As you see, we're running the unit, the conveyor, the tightening belts all operating. And you'll notice the tightening coils, only one side is operating. Each side is individually driven, and we've discovered that this small little motor up here is the culprit and will need to be replaced. There's a set of pacing wheels up front here, and although the motor is operating, the DC board controlling it is bad. We'll be replacing that also. Up top you can see it has a centrifugal sorter which is operating, and this variable speed, everything works great on that. The caps travel down this chute, and these two little plastic things you see right here are designed to block the eyes, which detect how many caps are in there, and that turns on and off your elevator. Rather uniquely, the unit, this is a hopper for your caps right here, with an incline feeder taking you right up to the top of the centrifugal sorter. See the back of the unit, we've got a lot of the covers off. It's a really unique capper. It operates on 220 single phase voltage. We're going through the controls here. Everything's pretty good in there. You'll see a couple of small boards hanging on there. We've just wired them up for the purpose of showing you the unit operating. We have lots of cappers like this in our stock, so I hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.